put him in the fridge now and sit. You understand me? Beautiful, right? Yeah, man. Beautiful, beautiful. You understand me? Happy taste bud chicken alone can look so. Happy taste bud chicken alone can look so. You understand me? Beautiful. Look on this. Let me take him out. Look on this.
Try Happy Taste Bud TV.
Very good.
You shall do.
Subscribe.
Happy Taste Bud TV.
That is it. Nothing from you?
I ain't got no food, so.
You know it, go? We can't dance, but we can't cook. You know, it's your boy, Son of Star PK, Chef Stunner. I'm in the kitchen today, you know what going on in the kitchen here. When you look on my board, you're supposed to can tell who know, who don't know. I'm going to tell you what going on. Right, so I have thyme, I have scallion, I have garlic, I have coconut black. This is coconut, you understand me? But I also have some coconut strips in the fridge. So I'm going to blend up and add to that so you know, say, a murder though. Watch this again now. I have cucumber right here, so. You understand me? Carrot, cabbage. So you know that go. Vegetable settings, don't it? Yeah, man, right here, so. I have the big boy right here, so. You understand me? I do some French fried chicken. Stunner Star way. You understand me?
Yardman style.
Yardman style. You Kino say the right way. You understand me? So, I'm going to get this thing cut up here now. Get this thing seasoned up the right way. And you understand me? But I take on along with me. You see me? But before we go no further, remember to like, remember to share, remember to subscribe. Remember to tell a friend, to tell a friend, to tell a friend, to tell an enemy. To stop being an enemy and be a friend. And come over here, so you understand me? You know the thing go, right? Yeah, man. I say go, man. Happy taste bud all the way. Subscribe, like, share, and comment. And if you're a new viewer, come. And if you've been here before, thank you for staying. You understand me? Let's cook some food and eat some food and all the vibes. There I go and rock to one of my video I just uploaded a while ago. Did you watch it? Oh, you don't know. Check out Unscripted TV with a K, not a C. That's my next channel. You understand me? Go over there and show some love. The same kind of love what you show over here, so well appreciated. Though. Let's get back to the cooking and sitting. You see it? Yeah, man, as you can see, cabbage and the carrot well diced up and do it thing and sitting. So I just add my sugar upon it now, squeeze some lime upon it, put a piece of ginger in it, and I eat that. You understand me? Yeah, man. Raw cabbage, rice and peas, and French fried chicken.
Unscripted with a K instead of a C.
You hear that? Unscripted with a K instead of a C. And that is my other channel, you understand me? Go and check it out. And so, you understand me? So, that there so. Now I use lime. You can use vinegar if you have vinegar, you understand me? But my life you use the lime and so.
Every time you feed your pet Hills, you help feed a shelter pet, which helps make them
squeeze
healthy,
the juice
happy, and more adoptable, changing their life forever, so they can
that should
change
be good.
yours.
And you just get a far.
Science did that.
And the story mean, you understand me? The story mean. Just mix everything up together. You understand me? So I get a bigger base than this. But I'll get it together and I'm going to show you when we finish and so forth. You understand me? But yeah, that's a one part of the video done. So I'll go for the next part of the video and so forth. You understand me? So yeah, man, remember to like, share, subscribe, comment. Tell a friend to come over here, so you see me, and also tell an enemy to change from enemy and become a friend. You see it? Yeah, man, that is it, man. Yeah, man, and this is the finishing product of the, you know, vegetable. So I just put him in the fridge now and sit. You understand me? Beautiful, right? Yeah, man. So season my chicken in a minute, get to marinate in a minute, and so forth. But yeah, man, the vegetable balance out. Yes, so right now, right here, as you can see, just cut up my chicken. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to wash my lime and I'm going to cut my lime, wash my chicken. Guys, remember, any meat you're cooking, once you cut up your meat, make sure you wash your meat properly. You see me? Lime or vinegar, you understand me? Any one of them work. Or if you have sour orange or so forth, any one of them work. And if you have none of them, I advise you, use some citrus on it, squeeze the orange on it, and wash your meat. You understand me? Yeah, man. So I'm going to wash this and then get to the seasoning process. pot, and then I just come back and get it, you see it? Yeah, so right now the chicken just cut up. So what I'm going to do right now is, you know, wash my chicken. You see me? Make sure that when you cook your meat and you cut up your meat, don't just use your meat same time. Wash your meat. You understand me? Squeeze some lime or vinegar or some citrus stuff, so citrus liquid and or component just to wash it. You understand me? Get underneath them area. You see me? And get out all of the slime. All of the slime, get out all of the slime and so forth. You understand me? Yeah man, get out all of the slime. Once you reach underneath the skin, you understand me? Get out all of the slime and so, no slime. You understand me? And what you can do is pour off the first water. You get me? To make sure you 100% get them off. And use the next side of lime. You know, use the next side of lime. Squeeze on your chicken. Get water in the basin. And wash your chicken. Get it off. You understand me? And you get it off. Get up. My sink is clean, well clean. Yeah, so I get this off now. I'm gonna go ahead and get my preferred seasoning that I'm gonna be using to season my chicken. Let me get my hand washed. And my hand is clean too, cause you see I was using lime and so forth. So my hands are clean and so. And I'm not gonna be touching any vegetable, I'm not gonna be touching anything like that. I'm just drying my hands off, get my powder seasoned, and come season my chicken for the best happy taste bud chicken. You see it? Yeah man. So right here, I have black pepper in this. I have 2 Sazon right here. You understand me? And right here I have my all-purpose chicken seasoning. You understand me? That's all I need on my chicken. All I need. You understand? So let's get this thing seasoning the right way. It's all those flakes and all of those, you know, seasoning that you see on here just dropping. Oh, imagine when all of that marinate down in the chicken. So let's get my Sazon tear and pour on. You understand me? Yeah, that is it. And the reason why I use 2 Sazon because it's one whole chicken. You understand me? And the chicken was big. So let me get my seasoned gloves and season up this chicken. You understand me? Turn off that pipe and make sure nothing runs from the chicken. So get my gloves them on and get this thing here seasoned. You understand? Just dig in. Just dig in. Just dig in. Yeah, man. And what you want to do is make sure that every part of your chicken got touch with the seasoning. You understand me? Tell me, look. You know, don't be afraid to, you know, rub up underneath yourself with the seasoning and all of that. You see me? Don't be afraid to let it go all the way in. You understand me? And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put that aside and let that go and marinate. Tell me that doesn't look good. Huh? Tell me that doesn't look good. Huh? Tell me that doesn't look good. Woo! Tell me. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna cover down that, let it go and marinate, and then I'm gonna get my rice and peas ready. You see me? Yeah man, did you like, did you share, did you subscribe? Oh, thank you. I appreciate you so much. Yes, no man. That is it, man. That is it. Alright, so now it's time for my flour that I'm going to be using to flour my chicken to make my fried chicken. So as you can see, I already have my flour here. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be putting a Sazon pouch into this. 1 Sazon pouch. I'm going to be putting some onion powder also. Not a lot, you know. And I'm also going to be putting some garlic powder. I like to use a lot of garlic powder in my fried chicken, because I think it just enhances the flavor. And here I'm going to be using a little bit of adobo all-purpose, not a lot, just a little bit, and that should be good. And what I'm going to do next is just get a fork or a spoon, any utensil, and I'm going to be just mixing this together, just mixing everything together. Okay, so let me get my stove light for my fried chicken over here. I already have my coconut peas and everything in this are boiled together. Alright, let's test my oil to see if my oil is hot and ready for my fried chicken. What I normally do is, I normally use like a piece of garlic or something, you know, piece of seasoning or something, just open it and put it in. And you see what I go on? Oil ready. Ready to start frying my chicken, you understand me? So let's get this chicken buttered up and get this chicken in the oil. You understand me? So let me get on a food glove, so I can work better. You see it? Turn on the oil a little, don't want it too hot. You understand me? So get my chicken now. You understand me? Get my chicken and get my thing buttered up and chewing. So you understand me? Yeah man, that's how you think set man. Yes no man. Yeah man, beautiful. Yeah man, chicken a bubble on, chicken a bubble in a pot there, you see what I go on? Yeah man, chicken a bubble in a pot there from all around. What you want, Nigel? What do you want, Nigel? Huh? What do you want? I took a good nap. Oh, you took a good nap?
Yeah.
How much hour?
2?
2 hours?
Yeah.
I don't think so.
Yeah.
Go sit down. Yes, sorry, where was I? Yeah, chicken a bubble, chicken a bubble, chicken a bubble in a pot. You understand me? Yeah man, beautiful, beautiful. You understand me? Happy taste bud chicken alone can look so. Happy taste bud chicken alone can look so. You understand me? Beautiful. Look on this. Let me take him out. Look on this. Only happy taste bud chicken can look so beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. A murder. Yeah man. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you like, share. And yo, watch on the man. Leave a comment down in the comment section. You can't say. Alright. Mad respect when you do that. You see me? Yeah man. Continue watch it. So right now me have the rice and peas. Pan fire go and steam out and sitting. That's the first batch of chicken. Me have more chicken there, so see it's not beautiful and a marinate and a, you understand me get a quail. But you see that piece of liver part there over there, so me a mash it up instant like coffee when it fried. Me nah play with it. So what you want now? You want nothing? Nigel come first, then you come second. So it's a plan thing. It's a plan thing. Me see it man? Not plan. Alright, if you say so. But let me turn back to the happy taste bud beautiful chicken. Look at that. Not even, when I say not even Popeye, Burger King, the whole of them put together can't get the recipe here. None of them can't get the recipe here. Then could that deal. You see me? Yeah man. Only happy taste bud chicken can look so. I have to ask. You understand me? I have to ask. They have to come to me if they want the recipe. You see that? They have to come to me if they want the recipe. Yeah, man. Read them. Yes, sir. There. I knew you want something. What do you want? Password. Let me tell you about shaking your head to me, say. You have a voice? Use it. Okay, you want the password? Good. I don't want to see the head up, head down, head left, head right. I don't want to see that you have a voice. Hold the phone like this. Can't even make you see the password. Not even one either. I see my password. You think me an idiot? You think me an idiot? Now I'm going to honestly my password. Yeah, me. But yeah, let me get out them chicken here. Sitting to see what I go on. How your leg look? How your leg look? How your leg look? Yeah, man, leg look like it can run, man. Alright. I'm going to get company to, you know, not seeing there by himself, you know. And he know that because he know say, I'm so happy taste, but do it. You know? I'm going to come over to, man. You understand me? Beautiful. Only happy taste but chicken can look so beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. Tell me now. Tell me now. Huh? Happy Taste Bud TV. What you say? Ha! Happy Taste Bud TV. Like, share, subscribe, comment. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Say, come here, come get piece of that chicken, yeah. Yeah, man. That's the thing there. Yes, alright, yes, as you can see, right, so this is the finishing product. Alright, here we have some carrot, we never add to this pot right here with onion, bell pepper, ginger, and garlic to make my seasoning. You understand me? To make my sauce for eating with my rice and my chicken. You understand me? So I add the carrot, get it sauteed, get it acquainted with it, just have to season them. You get the nice, get some water, get little ketchup on, so you know this is a boom bang bang and make a nice little sauce. You understand me? Compliment the rice and compliment the chicken. You know the thing go. Remember to like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to come over yourself and support the thing. You understand me? Yeah, man, I say the thing set, man. Kitchen smell nice. You understand? No. You know say when we fry the chicken, this is one piece of when I season chicken, this is one piece of liver. Wait there. See there. Chicken liver. French fry. Taste it. I'm gonna tell it. It's right. That is it. That is it. Chicken bad. Chicken bad without a doubt. Without a doubt, me I tell you say chicken bad. You see me? So guys, I just want to thank you guys for chatting along on this journey with me. I wish, honestly, that I could share this with you guys. Apart from how I'm sharing it right now on the channel. You know, I love it. And share with you guys, huh? My taste buds are happy. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend to come over to Happy Taste Bud. You understand me? Look at this. Catch up on the next video. Manners and respect. Get some juice and stuff.